Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, data representation and Boolean logic. You must have heard that computers work on zeros and ones. That is, ones and zeros play a big role in how computers work. In other words, data inside a computer gets stored in digital form, that is zeros and ones. Inside a computer, it is all about wires and circuits which carry all the information. Now the question arises as to how do you store or represent information using electricity. If it is a single wire, there exist two states, on or off, yes or no, true or false, 1 or 0. This on and off together constitute a bit, which is the smallest piece of information a computer can store. Different data stored in the computer may be numeric data, such as 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Alphabetic data, capital A, B, C, D up to Z, or small letter A, B, C, D up to Z. Then alphanumeric data, A, B, C, D up to Z and 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 9. Then special characters, plus, minus, slash, blank, space etc. These kinds of data, be it alphabets, numbers, symbols, sound data or video data, are represented in terms of zeros and ones in the computer. Each symbol is represented as a unique combination of zeros and ones. Digital computers represent data by means of an easily identifiable symbol called a digit. These digits can be represented in different types of number systems used in digital technology. This chapter deals with the type of number systems and their conversion from one form to another. Number systems. Number systems are the technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. It is the way to represent a number in different forms. In general, we are familiar with the popular number system known as decimal number system, in which 10 digits, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are used to represent any number. In digital representation, the number systems are classified into four fundamental types. First one, decimal number system, then binary number system, octal number system, and last one, hexadecimal number system. First one, decimal number system. Decimal system has only 10 digits from 0 to 9. It is the number system with a base value 10, which means it has 10 digits to represent the data. Every number or value can be represented with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in this number system. Okay. Example 20, 45, 56 etc. Next, binary number system. A binary number system has only 2 digits, that are 0 and 1. Every number can be represented with 0 and 1 is binary number system. The base of binary number system is 2 because it has only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. For example, 10 base 2, 110 base 2, 1010 base 2. Okay, binary number system means it has only 2 digits, that are 0 and 1. Every number can be represented with 0 and 1. Next, octal number system. Octal number system has, octal means 8. Octal number system has only 8 digits from 0 to 7. Every number can be represented with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The base of octal number system is 8 because it has only 8 digits. For example, 1, 2 base 8, 4, 5 base 8, 760 base 8. Octal number system has only 8 digits from 0 to 7. Every number can be represented with 0 to 7 in this number system. Okay. Next, hexadecimal number system. A hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumeric value from 0 to 9 and A to F. Every number can be represented with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A, B, C, D, E and F in this system. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16 because it has 16 alphanumeric values. Here A represented by 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Okay. In this number system has only 16 digits, that is 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay. Today we have come to the end of today's session. Thus we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned number system. Thank you.